This last section on debt reduction is a place where you can explore different debt payoff strategies with different amounts. The properties you see here are on the actual accounts, but they're only used for these calculations. They don't affect the account balances or any payment transactions you make on the accounts. The first tab is for the snowball method, which is the strategy of paying the lowest balance first. With this approach, you'll probably see results quicker in that you'll get your first debt paid off sooner, but you may end up paying more in interest. So the order of the debts in this table tells you which one to focus making extra payments on if you have additional money to put towards debt. The other option is the avalanche strategy, which focuses on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first, so you will actually pay less money overall. Again, the order in the table tells you the order to pay off the debts. You can play around with different options. A nice baseline, well, not so nice, but a good reality check is to put the minimum payment numbers in the monthly payment column and see when all the debts will be paid off. Next, figure out how much extra you might be able to afford in a month and put that number into each row to see how it affects the projected paid off date. The month reduced with extra shows how many months sooner you could pay off the debt by paying this extra amount monthly.